Okay, this is a quick little follow-up video to the test I did in my last video where I had silicone on top of silicone to do a silicone-to-silicone adhesion test. The test was successful, the silicone did adhere to it and it sealed to it. It didn't just stick, it sealed. It made a clean seal, as you can see in my previous video. So in this video, what I want to do is I'm going to use this silicone again, but instead of just making a bead and gently dripping it over top of it, I'm going to make the bead and then I'm going to basically smear it just like you would any type of corner or seal in your tank. So I'm not really sure how I can set up the camera here. Try and maybe something like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, we have our silicone beaded on. Now, before I do this, I am going to get myself a couple pieces of paper towel. And so much for being prepared. I'm a night owl and it's like 2 a.m. right now or something, so okay, so now I'm going to smear this in. Okay, I'm not sure I'm wanting to do with this test is whether or not I want to smear it to the glass. I suppose I could do one to the glass. Here, we'll do this one to the glass. Make a nice big mess here. Okay. That is too. Whoa. Change the video on you guys, sorry. Okay, so I made a nice big mess on this one. I basically just came down through the glass. And then we'll go to this one here. Okay. There we go. I also smeared that last one to the glass. Now, I just did a really shoddy job here. Basically what I'm trying to prove here is that with not big, huge chunks that you can pull and rip on, you're not going to get the silicone off the silicone. It's going to adhere and it's going to be fine. So the next thing I can do is, well, maybe not. I don't know if I have a tank big enough for some water pressure to be able to see if I can seal a leak with it or not. But anyway, here we go. Silicone on top of silicone. This time it is smeared in and touching the glass in a few places. And this test is basically to show that with nothing to pick up on, you can't pull the silicone off easily. The other time I had a nice big bead I could pinch and pull off in the previous video. So this I'm going to see what happens now. Actually, just for a little added bonus, I'm going to take pieces of the old silicone and just kind of stick them on top there. I'm going to see how well this glues silicone to silicone using silicone. Let me steady the. Oops, sorry if that was loud. Okay, so the previous beads of silicone that I tore off, I have now glued to the other silicone using silicone. We have silicone, silicone, silicone. Silicone sandwich. So this stuff smells awful, but this should be a fun test. Alright guys, take it easy.